So today I'm making a ragu sauce with beef. This can be used either for lasagna, which I'm doing today, or for a Bolognese sauce. So I'm using a couple of large onions, 2 carrots, some mushrooms, 2 tins of chopped tomatoes, 500 grams of minced beef, and some cooking bacon. Add some oil to a hot pan. Add the beef. Cook that for about 5 minutes. Make sure it's broken up properly, and add some salt. Put the beef to one side in a bowl. Chop the onions. Add some more oil to the pan. Add the onions. I'm going to cut the cooking bacon into fairly small pieces. Wants to be quite finely chopped. Adding the bacon to the onion. I'm going to grate the carrot now. I'm going to grate part of it on a fairly coarse grater and some of it on a fine one. One tip is to leave the end of the carrot on to use so you can hold it there, so you don't grate your fingers. So that's the coarse one done. Now we go on to the finer one. Just finish that one up there. I'm adding the carrot. I'm going to chop the mushrooms into fairly small pieces. Now I've added the mushrooms and the minced beef. Some red wine. About a glass, and I'm going to let that simmer for 5 minutes. Add the tomato. I'm going to add some Provençal herbs. And I'm going to add some crushed dried chili flakes. So mix that in and allow that to simmer on a very low heat for about an hour, and then we'll come back and try it and see if it needs anything else added for flavour.